the difference between a line segment, and a ray? Shall we do that with an arrow competition? There's no better way to learn than with a game, right? So, what I'm going to do now is 3 different things, but you need to observe carefully. This path followed by the arrow is what we call the line segment. Take a look at one more. This is what you call a ray. And one last one. Ready? And this is what you call a line. So what is the difference your keen eyes observed? In the first case, we had a starting point and an ending point, right? So that was a line segment. In the second case, we did have a starting point, but we let the end point go on, right? We let it go on. That is called a ray. So a ray goes on from a point infinitely or forever in one direction. And finally, we had something called a line. And what did the line do? It did the same thing a ray did, but in 2 directions. So a line originated from a point and went in 2 ways. And in both the ways, it goes on and on and on forever. So I hope now that the difference between them is clear. Let's start looking at each of them in more detail. We understood that a line segment has a start point and an end point. A name for its start point, please. A name for its end point, please. Perfect. So this is how you'll name a line segment. Examples? Pretty much anything that you can get out of this. Like the edge of this table, or the edge of this postcard, or even this tube light. So many things which you can also come up with. Another interesting thing line segments give you is the shortest distance you would need to walk between any 2 points. You cannot see it like this, so let me show you. Right? This is a beautiful path. Say this is your starting point at school and this is your ending point at home. In how many ways can you get home from school? Of course, as you can see, there are crazy number of ways to get home. Via the flower shop, picking up some flowers for mom maybe, having a look at the swimming pool, having a look at the park, right? Maybe around a little pond. So many options. So what if I asked you another important question? What is the route